Alright, what's up y'all? Coming to you from the pool today. Just got off work. Hopped in here real quick, cooled off. Gonna go pick up my mom's car. She got some new wheels and tires. Needs a couple other things to pass the state. We're gonna go get the camera set up and we're gonna go put the car in the driveway, get the tires on there, you know, blah, blah, blah. We're just gonna set the camera up. His routine stuff, nothing special. And then go drop the car off. And then hopefully we get enjoy the rest of the evening. So let's go get at it and you know. There is no air freshener like a set of brand new tires in the vehicle. Just camera, so we're gonna set you back up and try this again. How you living?
Not too bad, man.
Yeah, holding it down.
Did you get you some new shoes?
Oh yeah, this is my mom's car. She bought some new wheels and tires, so yeah, it should be pretty sharp, man. Yeah, I was gonna put those on here, wash the car. I gotta go take it for an inspection, you know what I mean? Blah, blah, blah.
Yeah. Stole it?
I mean, you know, right? Check out that license plate. My mom's an enthusiast, you know. Yeah, you already know it, baby.
Make sure you put that governor on there.
Oh yeah. No doubt. You be safe out there, brother. Right, we're getting back at it. Had to go make a parts run for a job we're doing later tonight. We'll get back at this and you know, try to wrap this up before we go do that other job.